forgot to mention in the other video, here visiting with family for a couple of weeks. Although when this video goes up, I'll be home. So, alright, second car wash we're gonna do is at this Mobil station over here. In Mequon, just a little bit to the south. We're not gonna do the tunnel, which is Mequon Mini Tunnel, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, construction all the time. But in the automatic bay, they replaced the 360 with what looks like to be a razor edge. Something else I need to film, ironically. Sneak in here. Let's see how expensive this one is. And finally, a hurrah, replaced a 360. I might do the mini tunnel another time, but we'll see. But yep, that is indeed a razor edge. First one of these. Replaced the 360, so hurrah. The other Wisconsin company taking over. A little bit cheaper, thank goodness. 7, 12, 14, and 16. Let's get a zoom in picture of this boy. Alright. I have no idea if it takes 20s or not, though. I think I'll do my card with this one.
Please insert your credit card in the reader below.
It doesn't sound hideous and distorted like that one at in Longview at school.
Please select your wash package. Please take your receipt.
Oh, I get a double receipt, okay.
The wash is available. Please enter wash now.
Manage all my little things. But yep. I think the blue that Washworld is good about than just 360. This one still has the lumen arch on it, which has actually been discontinued. So good, another first for me. Out with the boring 360s, in with the flashier razors. Although I think this and the XR7 are the ones that I have left to get for the razor family.
Pre-soak cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Although the other 360 at the other Mobil on Pioneer Road in Cedarburg is still there. Although that's an older 360. I hope I'm not the only one thrilled to see a machine replace a 360, because yeah, they're just kind of junky. I wonder if people will start going after these razors with the lumen arches, because thanks to Bellinger, they're discontinued now.
A tricolor foam product is now being applied.
Trifoam or foam product. I wonder how many different voices these things have. Definitely a lot quicker than the G5. Ooh, wax time.
Product is now being applied to your vehicle.
I don't think this is just me. I feel like razors are more efficient than like 360s. Oh, now we get the wax.
A hot wax product is now being applied to your vehicle.
My grandma is gonna be floored when she sees how clean this car is. And yes, I did vacuum out the inside last week. And I know doing touch-free will preserve the factory clear coat on this. That's the reason why I wanted to do this and not the mini tunnel. Okay, now it is saying spot free.
Spot-free rinse water is now being applied to your vehicle.
And yep, I think this one says new dryers too.
Thank you. Please exit slowly.
A little loud. Let's see how these do, because Premier dryers seem to be hit and miss. Sometimes they're good, sometimes not so much. And these don't appear to be that good at all. Where is my dryer timer? Yeah, these are definitely on the mist side. Not that great. And I do not see a dryer timer anymore. Well, still a solid wash though. But yeah, I guess if I'm here next summer, I'll do the mini tunnel. Not sure, but well, let's get Premier jars in it too. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I guess see y'all back in Colorado.